Welcome to Tech Talk English. Are you confused about when and where to use is, am, or are with verbs ending in ing? Don't worry. In this video, you will master the present continuous tense in a simple and clear way. Let us begin. The present continuous tense is used to talk about an action that is happening right now at the moment of speaking. The structure of present continuous tense is very simple. That is, subject plus is or am or are plus verb plus ing. For example, I'm eating, she is working, they are studying. We use am with I. We use is with he, she, it. We use are with you, we, they. I am walking, she is cooking, they are playing football. Now look at the sentence. They are studying. Here the subject is they and the helping verb is are and the stem verb is study. So the main verb plus ing. Present continuous tense is used for the actions happening at the moment of speaking. I am talking to you now. Here now denotes present continuous. He is typing an email. They are watching TV. You can see the structure here. All the actions are taking place now. The affirmative sentences tell us that something is happening. He is singing. They are watching TV. He is reading English. To make a negative sentence, just add a not. She is not singing. I'm not sleeping. They are not playing. Next is interrogative sentences. To ask questions, we change the order. Is she singing? Are you studying? Am I speaking clearly? I think you have noted the word order, that is verb and subject instead of subject and verb. We often use these words with the present continuous tense. Now, right now, at the moment, today. Now look at the sentence. She is studying French this month. It means that the next month she may not be studying or may be studying. So, here the present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is a temporary one. Because at present she is studying French this month. This month denotes present continuous. Now, it is used to talk about planned future activities. I am meeting my boss tomorrow. We are flying to Paris next week. He is starting a new job soon. Here, all are future actions, that is planned one, for tomorrow, for next week, soon. So these words are used in present continuous tense. Tomorrow, next week, and soon. Did you talk to your boss? I am meeting my boss tomorrow. Here the girl reveals her future plan of meeting her boss. So the indication here is for future plan. We are flying to Paris next week. Here next week denotes future planned action. Here also present continuous tense is used. There are some expressions of time used to denote present continuous tense. Now, at the moment, today or tonight, this week or this month, tomorrow or next week. All this denotes present continuous tense. Now let us come to a common mistake. Here there are two sentences. He is eating dinner. He is eating dinner. Which one is correct? Second one, he is eating dinner, because it is a continuous action. So eating is the verb here, and the auxiliary verb is used before the verb. I am going to work, not I'm go to work. I'm going to work is the correct one. Here I'm going to work is correct one. Am is always used with I. Now you watch this video and fill in the blanks. She dash is watching a movie now. Which one is correct? It is a continuous activity, so she is watching a movie now. Now what is happening here? She eat breakfast. She is eating breakfast. She ate breakfast. She will eat breakfast. The correct one is she is eating breakfast, because it is a continuous activity. And to summarize, use present continuous tense for actions happening now, temporary actions, future plans. Remember the structure: am, is, or are plus verb plus ing. If you like the video, please subscribe for more lessons. Now you fill in the blanks. Don't forget to comment your answer. Subscribe and follow Tech Talk English. Thank you for watching.